Welcome back, fellow book enthusiasts. Today, we have an absolute gem for you, a detailed summary of the enthralling novel, The Collector, by the exceptionally talented Daniel Silva. The Collector takes us on an extraordinary adventure, where the worlds of art, espionage, and politics collide, resulting in a heart-stopping thriller that will leave you breathless. Meet Gabriel Allon, a master art restorer and a brilliant Israeli intelligence operative. His unique combination of skills has earned him the nickname, the spy who came in from the cold easel. But Gabriel's life takes a devastating turn when tragedy strikes. A dear friend and former agent of Israel is brutally murdered. The incident shakes him to his core, igniting an unquenchable thirst for justice and retribution. Determined to uncover the truth, Gabriel embarks on a relentless pursuit of the killer, setting off a globe-trotting investigation that spans from the picturesque art studios of Europe to the clandestine backrooms of powerful politicians. Along the way, he unearths a sinister network of stolen masterpieces, a well-kept secret with ties to shadowy collectors and dangerous criminals. As Gabriel delves deeper, he realizes that the heist of these artworks hides a sinister motive, threatening to disrupt international relations. The plot thickens with heart-stopping suspense, and Gabriel finds himself entangled in a high-stakes mission involving high-profile art heists, espionage maneuvers, and political intrigue. The more he uncovers, the more the danger escalates. But The Collector is not just a pulse-pounding thriller, it's a tale of human complexities. Gabriel, burdened by a haunting past and the weight of his responsibilities, grapples with moral dilemmas and the personal sacrifices his duty demands. Amidst the adrenaline-fueled action, Daniel Silva beautifully weaves art history into the narrative, offering readers a fascinating glimpse into the world of art restoration and its surprising connections to international espionage. As the story hurtles towards its gripping climax, Gabriel must confront not only the elusive killer but also his own vulnerabilities, testing the limits of his loyalty and resolve. In a stunning finale, the novel skillfully balances heart-pounding action with emotional depth, leaving readers on the edge of their seats until the very last page. If you love gripping espionage thrillers that weave intricate plot lines with rich historical detail, The Collector is an absolute must-read for your bookshelf. So, don't miss this riveting tale of intrigue, suspense, and the enduring power of art. Grab your copy of The Collector and immerse yourself in the world of Gabriel Allon. If you enjoyed this summary, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth book explorations and exciting literary journeys.